Two natural-born killers. The lion is the terror of the African plains, a fearless fighter. Its cousin, the tiger, is a lone assassin, a silent stalker. They're both armed to the teeth with giant canines, razor-sharp claws, and a bad attitude. Lions and tigers both live in India, but they rarely meet. Contender number 1, the tiger. Meet the striped assassin, ancient symbol of stealth and power. The tiger is the biggest and strongest of all the wild cats. 10 feet long and 3 feet high at the shoulder, he's packed with solid muscle. And at 570 pounds, he weighs as much as 3 large men. This massive strength is matched with lethal weapons. Razor-sharp 3-inch claws and 4-inch canines. Now, to meet the opposition. The African lion is a fearless warrior, 530 pounds of aggression. It's 4 feet tall at the shoulder and almost 11 feet from nose to tail. A male spends his first 4 years learning to fight, preparing for the day he'll vie for control of a pride. He's well equipped for the job, 3-inch canines and 3-inch claws. His willingness to take on all comers has earned him the title, King of the Beasts. The size difference between a tiger and a lion is slight, but it could decide the battle ahead. The tiger is stronger and heavier. The lion is taller and longer. In our scenario, the lion grabs the advantage when he catches the tiger off guard. The agile tiger quickly recovers and attempts a throat bite. The lion shakes off the attack, and the combatants are back to square one. The big cats slug it out like heavyweight boxers, but neither lands a killer blow. The tiger swoops in to end the fight quickly with a neck bite, but the lion's mane deflects his aim. The lion's the more skilled fighter. At last he sees an opening and delivers a fatal bite. the lion retains his crown as king of the beasts.